Micromotor madness. Scale down, drive big.
So here it is, the Glacier reborn as a Chevy K10, chrome bumpers, chrome mirrors, Chevy badging, way better than that plain stock grille. It crawls smoother, looks tougher, and honestly, I'm loving this transformation. Let's roll some clips so you can see it in action.
Built it strong, long wheelbase ride, axles wide, got that stable stride. On the rocks, it stands so tall, Micromotor madness, we conquer it all. Micromotor madness, we ride, we roll, we climb. Let's go, let's ride. Micromotor madness, Micromotor madness. Micromotor madness. Lifted high but steady and true. Brass down low, gears balance through. Every crawl, it's a beast in motion. Custom rigs built with devotion. Micromotor madness, we ride, we roll, we climb. Let's go, let's ride. Micromotor madness, Micromotor madness. Micromotor madness. Micromotor madness. Let's go. Let's ride. Yeah. Micromotor madness. Micromotor madness. Micromotor madness.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to stay updated with all our upcoming content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when we drop new videos. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more exciting content with you. So, subscribe, like, and ring that bell. See you in the next one.